Hi, this is Linda Shea with Drilling Contractor. I'm at the 2022 IADC International Wall Control Conference in Oslo, and I have with me today Reese Jones, who is Vice President of Business Development for Kinetic Pressure Control. Reese, thank you for joining me.
It's my pleasure. Thanks for having me.
So you talked in your presentation today about a new technology called the Kinetic Blowout Stopper. Can you tell us a little bit about this technology and how it's different from the traditional hydraulic shear ram?
Sure. The Kinetic Blowout Stopper is an innovative new shear and seal BOP technology. It uses kinetic energy instead of hydraulic energy. This is a much more efficient means for delivering shearing force, and our design can shear anything and seal instantly in milliseconds. That's another difference in that a hydraulic system requires maybe 20, 30 seconds to close, and the KBOS can close in milliseconds, right? So with that capability combined with the KBOS's real-time conditions-based monitoring of all of its critical failure modes, we offer the industry a dramatic reduction in overall risk.
So can you tell us a little bit about what are some of the risks that using the KBOS can either reduce or eliminate, and what are some of the new risks that it might introduce?
Sure. So during constructing a well, one of the riskiest moments are when you're running unshearables, especially long string unshearables across your BOP. There's another significant risk where you have this combination of BOP capability and human factors that can result in a unsealable situation. That's where flowing wellbore fluids wash out your BOP elements and you lose the ability to control the well. KBOS eliminates both of those scenarios from your operational profile. Now, the KBOS is a new technology, so one of the questions that people ask is, well, what are the new risks that maybe we don't understand so well that KBOS presents? And we address that with the design of the KBOS itself. So we did an industry-wide FAMICA that identified all the critical failure modes of the device, and then we use real-time conditions-based monitoring to detect those. And so, you know, it's a mechanical system. So we're not saying it isn't going to fail, but you're going to know when it does, and you're going to be able to make decisions based on that information.
And can you tell us about the work that you've done with the KBOS with the Deepwater Invictus in the Gulf of Mexico, and what are some of the results you've seen?
Oh man, working with Transocean has been awesome. Working with the crew of the Deepwater Invictus has been equally awesome. So we first deployed the KBOS on that rig, installed it in third quarter of 2021, and now we're proud to say we've had over 200 drilling days without a single hour of non-productive time. You know, we've completed 3 subsea shear tests, 2 of them on the Invictus, and you know, one of those tests on the Invictus was on a drill pipe, subsea, lashed up to the well. So overall, it's been just a fantastic success for the team, Kinetic and the Invictus, and so we're very proud of that.
Well, thank you so much, Reese, for joining me today and telling me about this new technology.
My pleasure.
And thank you for joining us on drillingcontractor.org.